All right, let's go find it. Where's it at? Down there? Okay, let's go. This is a 1947 Scott beet harvester. We go through this every year, every season. A lot of grease points, a little fine tuning. It's kind of like tuning a guitar. Pretty when it's all cleaned up, isn't it? Nothing major, just making sure the belts are tight, airing the tires, getting everything greased up, ready to go. A lot of this is just repetitive over and over, up and down the row. Sorting out what's coming off. Definitely made in the 40s, designed for manual operation. So basically watching the row, scooting the machine left and right, making sure we're digging far enough under the plant with the shovel you can't see in the view. Keeping the plants lined up in the belts, that's the V guide that you see. Stop at the end of every row and clear it out. Run back around and get another row. Been a decent harvest. Looking forward to the garlic selling. Tastes great. Head sizes are awesome this year. All natural. This is it. Over and over.
Like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. After winter, simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. I'm trying to save your time. In case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated. No overstated, that's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm happy with the simple life. Oh Lord, you can keep your 9 to 5.
We basically just did this over and over, 2 different types of garlic. The first section was Spanish Roja, which had the biodegradable plastic. The second section was music, which didn't have the biodegradable plastic, but
Still had biodegradable.
it still had biodegradable, but it had more grass and stuff in the way. We had to go slower. This was really it, the whole thing. Got very tedious and took longer than we wanted, but we got it done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. See you next time.